Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave group on Viber. So first of all, just go to your Viber app. Now just select the group that you want to leave, just like this one. Now just click the group name in the top. Now just swipe down like this. Here you can see the last option, leave and delete. By just clicking it like this, and you will find the middle option, leave and delete. Here you can see if I leave this group, the group will be deleted because I am the admin of this group. So just click leave and delete. As you can see, I have successfully left the group. So guys, hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.